What's going on, y'all? And by y'all, I mean me. And I am on one today. Today's gonna be a good day. Because we got a lot of stuff going on. I mean, let me close out some things, man. I'm already lagging here. I'm sorry, guys. Dude, this is so bad already. But we got a couple things on the agenda for today. Welcome, everybody. If you're new here, this is AtlasCapital. We strive to give people a real outlook on the market, as well as a couple pointers for beginners. I myself am a beginner and want to learn with my audience. So let's get straight into it, y'all. Let's see what we got going on. Let me close some things out. We got a few minutes until we start marking off our levels. Pre-market was kind of going like kind of wild there for a second. We're gonna see what happens. We'll see what's up. I think I'm gonna just close Chrome is a RAM order. I also have TradingView pulled up. I don't know if I want to pull different screens right now because I really just have that up for some indicators that we're going to be using today. But just so we go over what we went through last time, currently my strategy that we're doing is what I call the morning trend. Some people call it like trading off the opening bell, whatever you want to call it. But it is something that I found the most consistency with so far in my trading journey, which is a very long time, and it's not supposed to be that long because I was just like, kind of half-assing, what I'm saying? But don't worry about that. We're in it now, and this is my trade journal. Welcome to AtlasCapital. We have a community. We have cool videos, and me, Potato. So, I bet. Our trade strategy for today is the morning trend. It's called the morning trend. That's what I call it. First step, we check for economic events. Now, the last time we traded this was on CPI. Yesterday was PPI. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I was degenerate at work today. Not today, yesterday. I didn't stream yesterday, and for good reason. I didn't wake up. I'm actually going to write down on a sticky note. If you don't wake up, you don't get to trade, and put that somewhere visible. So either way it goes, I mean, like, if you see my fridge right now, you would understand why I'm doing this. But back to the morning trend there. I just want to mention I did take some trades yesterday, and they did not work out as well, and I did not put any stops because I'm degenerate. But I'm reading into a strategy that we'll go over after this one. That will actually include perhaps a stop today, and we'll see about creating that button if we can in time. I see I was awake, but I was kind of preparing for this. You'll have to bear with me, guys, here while I go through this, because this is more of a journal than it is content, as well as trying to do like two things at the same time where we're all learning together here. And part of that is my own time management and discipline in going through with this. And I'm not gonna lie, being this potato helps. So poke at it all you want. I don't care. Yeah. Alright, so our first strategy that we tried out, is the morning trend. We check for economic events. We mark levels for 8:30, which is coming up here in about 5 minutes. We are going to reference that first opening bar on the minute and 5-minute chart, and we want to see retests either off of levels in the middle of major candles to give us a sort of direction. The type of trades that we're doing are pretty degenerate trades, guys. This is not a casino. None of this is financial advice. This is all educational. Y'all can't see my hands or my fingers. But let's see. Yeah, we've got ETFs going. The Qs, we're trading the Qs and the SPY on 0 dated options. Now our time frame for trading, I'm not gonna lie, is with my schedule. I would scalp all day if I could and if I had the money, but I don't. Soon though we will. Our time frame for trading today is 8:30 to 10:30, and I'm going off of Central Time, guys. Congrats, found out. Now I did write some helpful tips down. Currently going through Michael Sincere's Understanding Options. I know, complete beginner. Don't worry about it though. It's a great book. I recommend it for y'all. It's really breaking things down a lot simpler and way easier to understand with metaphors, rather than a 10-minute YouTube video that you know you're not going to pay attention to or be distracted with. So some helpful tips here. I've got most stock options expire on the 3rd Friday of every month, and there's also something called a triple witching day, which is the 3rd Friday of each quarter. So it's just a whole lot more derivatives and securities being sold. Well, I guess just derivatives because options. And then let's see. Also, I just also for some reason wrote down start on a daily chart, zooming from there. Now, see, already trades starts with index sector stock. We're going to be following a lot of the foundations that already trades has for us or has provided us with, and that will also be kind of my foundation for the way that I go about doing things. Now, you may be asking what is going on here. This was not the screen that I had on last time when we were looking at the Qs. That is part of this new strategy here that I will go over with you in a short moment if I'm not lagging like crazy. Yo, I may just pull up TradingView on my iPad because this is insane. Because I don't know if y'all remember the last time my entire computer started lagging while trading. Not fun. Not fun at all. Let's see. I bet a lot of people are asking me, why are you using Webull? And why are you not with Interactive Brokers or, I don't know, dare I say Robinhood? Charles Schwab, using Thinkorswim or something like that. I'd say the reason is because this is very free, and also very accessible on my phone. Like I said, guys, I'm basically at the casino here, but it's an educated casino. So I like to do things on my phone. I like to sell on my phone. Sometimes I'll be driving down or trying to get somewhere, knowing I have a position open, and I'll just be blasting my tunes and looking at my position and trying to see when would be a good time to cut that off. And a part of that discipline is just keeping track of the time. Sometimes I'll just make sure that like it just doesn't go past a certain time, and I'll exit. And those are always the times that have given me more profit. Now, there's a reason that we trade from 8:30 to 10, around there, every day, and I'll go over that with y'all in another video. But for now, let's move on to the other strategy that we have. It's not necessarily a strategy, it's more so having to do with the lines that you are seeing on the chart. It's what's called an indicator. For those of you that don't know, there are a lot of technical indicators that come with trading. Now, there are 3 fundamental things that we need to take note of, such as macroeconomic factors, technical factors, and I'm blanking on the third one. And fundamentals. Now, already calls it the stool, and you can't stand on one leg. Now, I'm gonna find a rip-off metaphor for this. Thank you already, because this has helped me understand. And the sole purpose of this channel is a trading journal for me. The sole purpose of this channel is to educate others. I feel like not enough people are subscribed to Already Trades. If you're subscribed to me, please subscribe to him. But me personally, I always want to make things my own. And whichever way you spread information, some people understand a different metaphor. Some people, I bet already he's heard enough about his own stool. But either way it goes. So this isn't necessarily a strategy, but more so an indicator setup. It's going to give us some insights into our entry. Let me grab my tablet here in just a moment and pull up Trading View. But this first layout that we have going on, like I said, guys, I'm going to be fully honest here. I'm not going to lie, I got this from a YouTube video. I'll show you that YouTube video here if we find some time. But let me just go over it here in a bit more brief detail before I show you somebody else's copyrighted video that may get me taken down. Not that anybody's watching this or there's any attention on any of this right now. The 3-tier zero-dated indicator setup is what I'm calling it, and it involves 3, you could say 4 things. They mention Bollinger Bands, Keltner channels, an ATR trailing stop, and a tick chart as a sub chart, not any other tick chart that we're talking about. And I'll show you the video and what they're talking about, and you can refer to it yourself. I'll skip through a couple of the points there just to let you know. But a brief description of this would be an indicating entry for either direction. 3 indicators work together to provide optimal trend. So basically we're spotting when is it that you're going to see those big shoots up. They explain in the video that zero-dated options themselves, with the little amount of time that they have on them, are more vulnerable to changes, especially with any sort of volatility. And in order to counter that, they've come up with this, or maybe they didn't necessarily come up with it, but this is one of the things that they're using, and it's a really good channel. I'm probably gonna dive into it a little bit more with y'all. I'm not gonna cover a lot of what they have on there. I'm just gonna be using it on the live stream. It seems that it's better to do that way than to completely rip off and explain somebody else's things, especially if they know a lot more than me. Sorry already, but you've inspired me basically. So shout out to you, man. So to continue on with this, indicating entry for either direction, 3 indicators work together to provide optimal trend. The Keltner channels will, I don't even know what I wrote down, will near both ends of the Bollinger Bands, indicating consolidation. So the Keltner channels will near both ends of the Bollinger Bands, indicating consolidation. I just want to show you guys this here. These are the Bollinger Bands right here. I highlighted them in red. They're kind of dotted, and just for my sake, it's easier to see. Make sure my stream is going. Oh, that is not what we're doing. Trying to do. Okay, guys, I kind of give up here, but it's so distracting, yo. So distracting. I'm sorry about that, guys. Okay, hold on, y'all. We'll fix this. Which one already? Yeah, okay. Okay, it doesn't reset. Okay, that's fine. Oh, alright. Whatever. Try to get on here. Okay. Alright, also these are the Bollinger Bands. Now, as I said, the Bollinger Bands will near these Keltner channels, or vice versa. The Keltner channels, which you'll see right here, will near the Bollinger Bands like so. Now, it's very rare for the Bollinger Bands to go inside of this channel here, this purple channel that I have going on. Well, it's not rare, sorry, but it's just an indicator of consolidation, right? So when we're talking about price action and movement, basically in price, we're trying to look for instances in which we have time to buy. This is something that I feel a lot of traders will have a sort of question about. I'm just trying to give you all quick answers. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to go crazy into detail. Like, I'm not the macroeconomist, or the finance guy, or the quant guru that created these technical indicators. We just know that we use them. Right now we know what they measure. We know what it's for. You can read what they measure. They give you a description of it, right? In most all broker systems like this. System may not be the wrong word, but bear with me, guys. It's the morning here. I have no tea on me, but was saying, see y'all just gonna have to deal with this real quick. Yeah, so it is, they are not, they don't, we want more time to buy. That's what I was saying. Right. So a lot of traders are trying to ask, hey, when do I specifically buy these options? And this would be one of those times. Now, they stick to a 5-minute chart on their video, but this is not the only indicator, right? These both act as one indicator for this. So that's why technically I said 3 to 4 indicators are in this here. We'll mark off our levels in just a second, guys. We're going down today. By the way, I'm gonna explain that in just a moment, but I just know that we're definitely going down today. Like there's no way that this is holding up. Because look how long this consolidation is already, and this is something that I just learned. And like you see, you look at the other pre-market, because like I'm looking at it on a day. Now this is an ETF. Even if I close in on here, and just want to make things easier to see, like very, very little short amount of time that they're doing this, like a span of like 15, maybe 20 minutes, which is consolidating, which you'd say is a lot of time, but look at the volatility in here, right? Look how much now, if we're talking about a trailing stop, right? I mean, like, what does that sound like? Well, it's a stop order, right? That's trailing behind the price action, whether it be 5%, whatever percentage you send it to, right? I'm not going to be using the type of trailing stop that they are going to be managing my trade here, but this sort of consolidation, you go back a couple of days and you don't see it too much. This day CPI was not it's not a regular day, but I mean look at this, guys. Look at this. These are full ranges. It's just giving you a sort of ton of buy. It's using conjunction with something else. But like in the pre-market, just from what I'm seeing already, switch to an hour. Hour is gonna give us day stuff. This is meant to be used on 5, so we're just gonna keep that on 5. Sorry, guys. Parched. I'm a dry potato today. So, in addition with that, we are using what is called a tick chart. Now that is a sub chart. I can't show you that here, unfortunately, because my computer is ass. This is why I'm probably gonna set up a donation page or something. Y'all can donate to the broke potato, y'all. I'm a pretty broke potato, not gonna lie. Either way it goes, I don't have work today. I'm gonna be here a little bit longer, so hopefully we cannot be a broke potato at the end of the day. My neck hurts, yo. Oh my god. Okay. So, continuing on with this, we've got the tick chart. Now, basically, the tick chart is also something that consolidates. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I didn't pay too much attention to the video. I'm gonna show you the video. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you the video. But I didn't pay that much attention to the video, or if I did, I may have forgotten it. And see, this is why YouTube videos aren't necessarily the best form of content to be solely relying on, for learning. Like obviously there's a reason why people have a piece of paper or a degree before they get into the sales and trading side of whether it be IB, private equity, hedge fund, finance, right? So, I'm nowhere compared to anybody else. You know what I'm concerned about? My 401k, my retirement. You know what I'm saying? But either way, guys. back to it. Back to it. The tick chart is going to is a sub chart. It looks just like this little RSI here, and instead of 50 in the middle there, there's a 0. And in that 0, we're looking for lines. By the way, guys, please note this RSI right here is this. See that RSI? This is not what I'm referring to. It's called a tick chart. Okay, I'm gonna link the video for you. All right, I'll link it. Okay, please listen to me. Do this right. All right, fold your bands. All right, with a calculator channel in between. Okay. All right, we're looking for consolidation when they near each other. All right, and the tick chart, which does not look like this RSI, is a subchart in which we are looking for it to either hold above the middle there, which it'll be noted on the side here as a 0. Okay, now anything holding above that 0 is going to indicate that we are moving up. Anything below is going to indicate that we're moving down. So in conjunction with this, which basically with this we are measuring energy basically in the market, in price, in volatility, price action there. Now we can't necessarily measure the volatility. That's a whole nother thing. You can look at some things like volume, maybe MACD, divergences, maybe on the RSI, or maybe I'm tripping about that last one, but either way it goes, this is just to let us know that, hey, it's almost time, right? The tick chart will let us know which direction we're going to go, right? And if the tick chart is holding, right, in a certain direction, that will be like our double confirmation to where we can be like, okay, I'm entering this trade soon. You know what I'm saying? Like real soon. So either way it goes, I'm saying that a lot, guys. Bear with me here. See, like I'm like already part 2, except on potato. You know what I'm saying? But let's see what we got. Yeah, there's also a trailing stop, so that these volatility spikes, because we're not necessarily measuring it. You know, if you're really hands off about this and you trust in your stops and you're that sort of trader, then you know that's like good for you, man. Honestly, you know, like consistent returns probably more than me. But Webull does not have a specific trailing stop. Now it does have a trailing stop. I'm gonna see about setting that up, but like with what we have going on, guys, I don't think we're gonna have the time. So we'll try trading this again, but I will be putting a stop loss order today, guys. I know, right? Real mature of me, real smart street bets of me, real non regarded of me. Yeah, I know. I'm a potato. What do you expect? Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Let's mark levels. Minutes. Sometimes at 8 a.m. Yeah, it was on 1 minute we did it last time, right? These are some weird ranges. It definitely went up. I mean, it went crazy yesterday. Now, yesterday was PPI, which came after CPI. If y'all know the difference, CPI is inflation. So CPI is inflation of consumer goods. Basically, the Federal Reserve will take a basket of consumer goods and tell people, hey, prices are rising in this direction for these general goods, and that means the rest of the other prices will likely be affected because these prices are rising up, and that is the national benchmark of like our fucking monetary system, bro. Like how much money your dollar's value is worth. They're just gonna tally up the price of like I don't know, like a dozen eggs in a grocery cart and tell you about it on the news. That's just the world that we live in. You know, I mean, I'm glad that I'm not too personal on this channel. I'm just potato because I have some thoughts about how crazy that sounds. But either way it goes, PPI is the manufacturing um, inflation report. Now, I don't know if they have a basket of goods for the manufacturing inflation report. I bet it's on a whole bunch of other stuff like the cost of capital and the cost of, you know, investments and whatnot for these companies to do what they gotta do. Now, a part of that is that PPI is really what we want to pay attention to. Now, even in my college courses, I'm realizing this sort of same thing, and it makes sense what Already is saying. Basically, to dumb it down in potato language, Already is saying that the people who make things for us as people, if things are too expensive for them to make other things, how are we gonna get things except for a more expensive price, which is not necessarily what we want to see in certain contexts, such as the very fragile macroeconomic market that we have going on right now. I know I'm speaking within context now. A lot of this has to do with Already and his videos, because that's probably my only quality source that's keeping me some sort of discipline right now. And also just some regular knowledge that, and see the type of level that I want to get y'all to is being able to have just this sort of floating knowledge in your head, the same stuff that comes with just one college course in macroeconomics, and applying it to your 401k or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like put some covered calls on a company that you're already invested to, right? Why not protect that? Invest into your retirement, is it not? What if I told you that you can make money protecting your investment? Do you get what I'm saying? It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. Anyways, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I've got some things to take care of here, and I will be back with a bit more detail in what we have planned upcoming and what I'm gonna do about it today. All right, give me 1 second. Am I still streaming? I'm still streaming. Perfect. Okay. Be right back. Man. That's crazy long, man. Okay, time to lock in, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Like, what we got 25 minutes? 25 minutes till the market open. Let's mark off our levels. That is first things first. God, I don't even know. Like, it's just 8:30, isn't it? Or is it just the highest bar? It's the highest bar. I think it says sometimes 8 a.m. You know, I wrote that down too. I want to double check that, man. I was at 8, about 8:30. What's going on at 8:30, bro? I don't even know, but you see how this thing is. You see that? You see that, though? You know what I'm saying? And now, see, now it's opening up towards open. And where's it going? Where's it not? Not heard of a rule of 2. All right, and that's from printers. Shout out printers. Let's see, this feels like a movie too. Let's go to 5 minutes what we should be on. What's that? 5. It's 8:30, yeah. 8:30's right there. I mean, I don't even know our range, guys. Honestly. If you really wanted to do something, we go to the daily and we just mark some levels in general. You know, just some overall things. Something like that. Oh, not true, mine. Yeah, 2. Oh man, my neck, yo. My neck is just messed up, bro. That's my positioning, bro. That's really what it is. It's really my positioning, bro. Let me put my glasses real quick. I hope I'm still streaming good. I hope y'all can hear me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even watching this to make sure. But it's saying my mic audio is gone, so I'm gonna do it. Here's my tablet, man. Where did I put that over? Can't even pull up trading view without expecting things to crash. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I keep side-eyeing the camera. Guys, please don't look for me. You know, I love swiping away apps on my iPad with my trackpad. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, what are we pulling up? Let's pull the Qs. Q, that's what we're doing. I'm seeing straight down for Q. Straight down for Q. Boom. Very out of the Bollinger. Bollinger. I mean, I just want to mark those wicks just because. Yeah, back to the daily because I was marking off mode, bro. See how I just get distracted by my own shit, bro. My own detriment, bro. Really what we want to pay attention to. Some areas of interest. I mean, this is definitely a level, yo. There's no way this isn't a level. Yeah, this is definitely a level. This is an important pivot. Don't tell me that ain't a level. Make that brighter and something else. 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes, guys. You see how I'm doing this? You see how I'm trying to make some bullshit decisions with some bullshit knowledge, bro? You know what I'm saying? I'm not cursed, bro. I'm not cursed for doing all this. All this work, bro. You know what I'm saying? Nah. If you need my job, you know I'm not even working out my muscles. See, that's why it hurts, though. You know what I'm saying? Most people, I don't be getting a good night's sleep, bro. I need 12 hours though, just so y'all know, cause I'm a potato. 12 hours. Hey, I showed my coworker my videos, and like, I'm just imagining him looking at me, like, seriously, just laughing his head off, right? Just laughing his head off. I hope somebody somewhere on YouTube just recognizes that, like, at least I know, like, somewhat a little tiny bit of what I'm talking about, because I hope anybody can relate that anytime you talk about anything stock related, especially something, you know, like options where it sounds too good to be true, like, people just don't take you serious. I mean, if we're put-sided, I'm marking off these guys. This guy, these are our targets. Actually, you know what, let's get those off. And let's continue that chart. Let's see, it's not there. Some more recent levels, you know. This is definitely a level for sure. Oh, actually, no. This is definitely a level. Has to be. I like the way the guy looks. Oh yeah, that's a nice level. I like that level. I like that level a lot. It's a good test right there, especially with us not breaking that high at all. And look at it squeezing. Look at it squeezing. You know what we are at 30 to an hour. Not squeezing. An hour is not squeezing. And let's be squeezing on the 30. Oh, this is dropping. It just screams drop. Screams absolutely. See another test. Scream drop. geometer in our faces. Yeah. What's another level that we can? 464, that's really far. That's really far. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Let's see the previous low day. Let's previous low day. We already have our higher day mark from yesterday. Hopefully we don't pivot. We're gonna wait 5 minutes for that first 5-minute bar to confirm. Now we're gonna take note of the first minute bar. We're gonna wait for the 5-minute bar to confirm that we're gonna follow this new setup that we got going. I want more levels though. Yeah. This is definitely true. Yo, like I'm seeing a big drop for this, yo. It's just, is it just me? I hope that like everybody else is also seeing this. I swear, if I'm delusional, after the first 5 minutes are open, I'll just stop talking, guys. I'll just stop talking. This is just the second episode, and you see how overzealous I am. It's because I showed this to a friend. You know what I'm saying? It's really what it is. Just told somebody about it. See, another thing, y'all should know, man. Don't tell nobody about your journey, bro. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's gonna hate. Everybody's gonna doubt, bro. You see how like I'm a potato. Like people still hate. How could you hate on a potato, bro? For real. But it is what it is. You know, that's the world that we live in. Right? So I'm just gonna mark this off as area of interest. It's gonna be at three GPs. 3 GPs. 3 GPs. If we break upside, I won't even trade until I see a downside. Because like it's just been working for me. Like I'm just more confident shorting. You know, I said that yesterday, or not yesterday, the other day. I can't even yawn naturally without trying to look at the camera, bro. It's pretty sad. Sad. Alright, we can just watch the 5-minute. We got these bongers going on the 5-minute. Let's see, what is this? I swear I wrote down somewhere. 12 or 22 or 55. I just wrote down what MACD does. Is all I did. I swear. Like I have another notebook in my car that I know I probably wrote something like that. I'll just go back to it real quick. Or no, I'll just pull up the layout. So I put it in the layout. Wait. I don't want to keep these drawings here. That's one of these. Look at the chart drawing, they're separate on each one. Let's see, 12, 22, 55. See, I knew it. 12, 22, 55. That's what we're calling it. Oh, well, now we'll keep these on that. Then we'll just keep this on that. We'll go back to a minute. Let's see, it's a 12. It's a 22 and 55. Now you change some of these colors around. I'll do that real quick. Because I'm a straight copycat potato. Let's see. Oh my goodness. See, I'm also not as fast as a ready trades at all. Like he apologizes for like clicking or like he apologizes for going too slow, but like the way that he's clicking, like it's not me, bro. It's not me. It's not me. Okay, so 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. If anybody sees this after the live, like comment or just send I'm gonna set up the channel a little bit more with like some contact info, like send me your thoughts or any feedback or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Like we always try to improve here, right? And I'm always trying to do better. So yeah. Get some feedback. That would be good for us. It's not for criticism. The 200 is what, that close? Okay, guys, I'm gonna go all in. Puts. I believe consumer sentiment also came out. There's no headline reading today. We'll get through the last 5 minutes. We got some dumb headlines for you anyways. I'm trying to build an RSS feed for this and to automate some things through chat. So this process can be a lot more streamlined, clear cut for y'all. But I'm working on it, so it's a work in progress. But for now, we're just gonna wing it. You know what I'm saying? Like my quips will be not far and wide, but many in between. What was I doing? Only broken on 55. Let's look at it on daily. On daily, 471.82 is a level that we need to watch. 471.82. That's the 55 on the daily. Currently, as of right now. 471.32 right now. We are dropping as we speak on it. Here's 471.82. Right around here is not too much to go, 470. So yeah, I mean, like basically we want to break this 200 right here. We want to break that. Also I'm going to customize some buttons here as well. Oh, geez, guys. Okay. It's time to really lock in here. sell at the ask. Good. Now we're going to do buy it ask with a stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be 25%, y'all. We are going to risk 25% today. Now we're going to go to zero dated. I'm actually going to go out the money. I'm going to go out these, good delta. I'm going to size chat real quick. What's a good delta for an option? What's a good delta for a put option? So a good delta for a put option on QQQ. Basically saying minus 470. How much is that? About 100. We can do that. We can do that. Let's wait for it to get cheaper. We're gonna buy 470s and we're gonna double down on these cheap ones right here. As soon as it breaks that 200. That's the plan. That's the plan. That's the goal. That's the goal. I expect that we're opening up here. It's a 5 minute. Maybe zoom in on this. Let's look at the RSI going. Trade. Here we got our levels. Along with our plan for today. We've only got 2 nights left to go. Sorry guys, no news. No news today. I'll just be nursing this trade today. But let's look at consumer sentiment real quick. We have some time. Trade in view. Let's see. This France's inflation rate. Michigan consumer sentiment. See the forecast is 68. Consumer expectations forecast 71.68, prior 67.9. Go to the chart here for consumer confidence, and having been below the 50, yeah, below 50, I heard is recessionary. I'm gonna go look at 2020, 2020. Yeah, let's see. This is 2022. We hit 50. I believe that was a big crash there. And we have been trending upwards. There's a double top there. Look at this, trending upwards. That is in 30 minutes. Okay, so that'll be at 9. That'll be a key time to look out for, guys. 9 o'clock. We have some info coming in, and that's probably all we have for today. Yeah, 1 minute to go, guys. And just like that, already, oh my god, unlock the trading. See, I fucked up. This is it, right here, lock in. Is it not letting me? I'm going straight to Weeble. On my phone. There goes one. As soon as it breaks, I'm doubling down on the 460s. I'm still seeing some consolidation here, but anything might snap, man. Anything might snap. Maybe people are just waiting for consumer sentiment. There's a rejection. There you go. There goes another. Boom. There it is. Now it's unlocked. Alright, now we can play a little bit more. We can do these hundreds. Let's see if we can get something going for a cheaper price here. Yeah, I mean that first bar being red. Let's look at the 1 minute. 1 minute first bar red. Yeah, this is going down, guys. We need to re-up soon. It's gonna reject off the 55. 464 for 19 cents. There you go. Could have gotten it cheaper. Let's see what's going on. I mean, you still haven't broken any level yet. If we break that 200, be slightly concerning. I may trim out. what's going on here. Let me pull up the tick. What am I doing? Pulling up the tick. The tick. Indicators. What am I looking at? Tick. Where are the indicators on the iPad? I'm just not paying attention to this trade, guys. I mean, I'm just going to ignore my losses for right now. Thankfully, a lot of them are out the money. And also have not triggered just a double release, so. Still haven't breaking any levels. I mean, what's printer saying? What is printer saying? I wonder. I really wonder. Oh, they're not saying nothing today. I wonder why. Well, see, we're still consolidating here, guys. You know, the energy is kind of building up here. I need to pull up the tick. Where the fuck is the tick? Oh my god. Cannot pull it up. See that? Oh, so they just got simple stuff on the iPad. You know, I can't see the tick, man. See, everything's just going wrong, guys. You know, like, here, let me pull it up. Let me just open it up. There it is. And there it is, stop loss hit. Stop loss hit. Yo. That is not fun. Not fun. We're waiting on it though. Oh, and there goes our levels. What's going on here, guys? I see. What's RSI doing? RSI is getting there. We may reject off of this, guys. Can't believe stop loss was hit though. See, this is why we don't do stop loss. Just have faith. I mean, we can still get it going. We still got 10 going on here. You know, I won't risk it, guys. You know, in case I'm wrong. Like, I kind of want this YouTube channel to last. So, I just should have stuck without the money. 15 minutes, we haven't moved much at all, guys. Believe it or not. We haven't moved very much. That's just the first level. You know, usually things were a lot more quicker than this, and you know, this is slow buying stuff. Now these volume candles were definitely a divergence here. Definitely something to have waited on. 15 minutes maybe we go to now. 1 minute, what's our side doing? It's double topping. see rejection. I'd like to see that. Double down again. See, I have no tick on me, which kind of sucks. See if I can open trading view without lagging. I need to see the tick, because if the tick confirmed video, then like tomorrow we're just gonna go off, or not tomorrow, but on Monday we're just gonna go off. Tick has to be lower. I mean, it's rejected right now. Oh, there it goes. There goes one level. I'm opening up trade view. I'm sick and tired of this. I want to see tick. I'm trying to see tick. This is taking me off, is what it is. You know, I'm trying to see tick. Get me and stop. Stop is insane. Just bouncing back off of that. Then, if it tests again, we're over. If it tests again, then like if it breaks through again, I'm done. I'm done with it. So we didn't even have a squeeze there. There's already no squeeze. We're just going straight up. We're holding that line there. I need to pull out the tick. To chart that out. Yeah, we're breaking. We are breaking heavy. Any sort of rejection there. Oh, and now we switch to 477 calls. That's what Printer has going on right now. Close that. Yeah, close that. our hedge, guys. That's it. Those are all the orders that we're putting in. I won't ever put a stop loss again in my life. That's why I never do that. That's why I never be doing that. You see, now things are lagging. Now things don't like me. You see, now I gotta switch my phone just to see charts. Oh my god. What a mess. What a mess. What a reckless day. I'm disappointed in myself thoroughly. I mean, we're testing that level again, but I mean, 55 is about to break 200. You know, that's a pretty important sign. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Man, we're wrong on this one. Man, we're wrong on this one. Hold the phone. Keep calm and make some money, bro. We got one little hedge going. I have not closed anything at all, guys. We have a hedge and we are put sided right now. And that's as much as we're gonna do today. I mean, if they all expire worthless, it has to go one way or the other. You know. I'm seeing U calls going crazy. Now, see, that's natural gas. And see, this is why we review the macro side of things too, so we can spot more opportunities and trades. I mean, I can take a look at U right now and see if I can't grab anything off of it. U. See if I can't see futures on my phone. You have to open up an account, alright? I don't trust we will futures. You know, this is already manipulation enough. I mean, look at this. Am I winning or am I losing? I'm not even sure yet. You know what I'm saying? See, this tick RSI so I assume you know, trading view is a bit more smoother, even with the lag. Weevil does not like things. Yeah, if we can't get above that high that we just made, then that's going down. But I'm just trying to see the take, take. I think it's Blanco. What am I marking off here? That might be like the tiniest head and shoulders I've ever seen. We're on the 1 minute right now. We took 5 minutes. Let's see what we're going with. Let's see, 5 minutes just getting up there. volume. This take is so bad. God. I'm just annoyed. I'm frustrated. Should have went condors, or we're just waiting for consumer sentiment to come in good. I mean, it's a Friday. I mean, what do they have it at again? Forecast 61.5, 71. Consumer expectations are guided lower. So I mean, if it hits on point, then maybe it's just good because it's Friday. Either way, no more trades. No more trades. We got some meta stuff going on. I'm not messing with it. I'm not messing with it. They are call-sided though, so I might be wrong. I might be very wrong here. See, what I'm trying to figure out is a trailing stop loss. I see this stuff that's complicated, y'all. Trailing stop loss. I'm just dropping vocab. Y'all know, for no reason. I'm gonna get this structured. I'm gonna explain things thoroughly. And a lot of it depends on y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're watching this right now, even if you're not watching it live and you're watching it later, please don't hesitate to reach out or make a comment. Email me even. If you have any suggestions or tips based off of what I'm saying, or if you don't understand something, I'll do my best to try and explain to you and even give you resources. I'll send you websites about I'll just Google shit for you, bro. I just want people to make money. Wants to make money together. All right, so we're breaking above there. And that's like 5 minutes. What's going on with the 1 minute 30? Listen, no hope in the battle checks. Yeah, it's already looking like a light day for shorts. We'll see what happens when consumer sentiment comes in. I could pull out one of those websites right now to take a look at it. But really, I honestly just want to see what trading has to say about it or something like that. See, more patience. I'm gonna add a message. It's something that I needed to write down. Don't predict, think, and then react. Because what we just did, guys. We predicted, and that's a shame for the day. Honestly, that's really bad. We're erasing things that we had going on. So no more, never again. And see, look at it shooting up. I may as well call some of these because we're really holding that there. If I look at our Bollingers, I bet you that we are not breaking below that middle right there. We're not breaking below that. Now we are coming back into a consolidation point though. And we are holding this. It's whether things are on our side or not. We're really just waiting here. We're still at that level. If it breaks up, I'll sell. I will. Going back again. Where's the rejection? I don't know how many times the rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's a good full body close under there? 1, 2, 3. Fully rejected 3 times. Closed another 3. I mean, this is the 4th test here. And we're approaching the other end of the ball here. I think we're just going to stay around this level for a couple more minutes here. They're just waiting until, and they're ready to sell too, yo. Like, look how quick that thing is going there. They're waiting for that data to come out. There may be some runners going on right now. The 5 minutes where it's at though. You know, if we're bouncing off of 473, I'm worried. If we break out of here, I'm worried. You know, anything below on consumer expectations is gonna be good for us, you know. I mean, like the Apple iPhone is pretty disappointing, I'd say. I don't think too many people are excited about that, right? Are y'all know that idea on the iPhones? Fuck the iPhone, bro. Sure. Nah, I love my devices. Otherwise, I won't be able to do this, bro. I won't be able to be a potato for y'all. They're just they're expecting consumer sentiment to be that good, bro. They messed up here, like look at that rejection on the 5. See another rejection like that. If we can't get a solid close here, then maybe just exit early. Two minutes, yeah. Seconds, y'all. They are ready to sell. Yo, this is gonna snap back up at the last second. This is gonna snap back up. It's just gonna hurt me. It's almost hurt me. It's not even closing those wicks. It's not even closing those wicks. See? The VIX isn't even up. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at our 3. Oh my god. Oh, their digestion. The digestion. Oh, it's killing me. Oof. There it is. There it is. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the calls? Where are my calls? Where's my call? Call close. So. I mean, we're still in the same 5 minutes, and it's rejecting back up. What is going on? $72.1. What is it? I don't even know what it is, yo. This is a crazy candle right now. This is a wild candle that's going on right now. People are still trying to see what's going on. Futures are still up on the day. Futures are just finding out about this. I'm about ready to close this, man. I'm out of the calls. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Please stop. Please. Please. At the last moment. At the last moment. Am I not making it? Am I not making, like, did I just spit BS there? I feel like that's just what, I feel like that's what I just did. You know what I'm saying? Come on, that was holding for so long. That's holding for the majority of the minute. It flips green, we're over. Pick a side, yo. And this is crucial. If it closes like that. Yeah, it's starting to think here. I mean, this might just be our range, you know, just down to 472. Comes in above now. Comes in above now. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. see how I'm out of the calls though. So I can't really. At least I can on this one, but I can't really. I was concerned. What is it? It came in hot, yo. It came in hot. Those are good numbers, man. 55 crosses to 200. 5 minutes. 15 minutes. The green hasn't even started on 15 minutes. Let's see. There you go. You live, you learn. You live, you learn. Let's flatten this before we get too crazy. Come on. Yep, I'm out of these. Yeah, I'm doing this on my phone, yo. Doing this on my phone. Readable. That's just crazy balls, yo. That's crazy balls, yo. That's madness. Madness. Yeah, out. Close. Yeah, long term. Yeah. Thank you. Close. Yeah. Close. Yeah. Gone. Just lock in these losses real quick. Before anything gets the best of me there. definitely gonna mark those levels for consumer sentiment. That was a crazy candle. I think we're supposed to be taking over those candles. I would definitely say so. And now I'm playing with this range again. So I'll just keep on in. I just say trim out. I see how I just went it halfway though and started on the next. That's on the minute though. I start paying attention to the minute. Well, I mean, like this is why this is how we learn, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is how things go. Make a crazy fucking call, cause fuck it. 3 days from now, 16th, Monday. 4 days from now. It's a crazy fucking call. Right before the rate cut, hell yeah. Let's do it. $4.83. Goes below, I'm over today, not live the stream. Cause then I just need to relax before school, y'all. It's about an hour. Yeah, right. I was dropping. See, now it's just not maintaining it no more. As soon as I get into calls, I can at least confirm and bring it. Two good rejections. And off the 22. I don't think it's gonna fall because it made the higher high. You know, it broke a level, it made the higher high. And it's consolidated there, it's just gathering the energy. The big chunk analysis of it. These days they're not called in the money. It was not in the money, but it's profitable right now. It's real this right here is not consolidating. I'll tell you that much. It is going up. I think this is true. I'm gonna let that be. I'm gonna reflect on my mistakes. I'm gonna joke on about it. I'm gonna tell myself what I did wrong. And this mashed potato is gonna be back again. Put my life on it. Like I said, you can understand why this is a financial advice. You know what I'm saying? You should understand that.